If you want to start a WordPress website in 2026, this is the video for you. I'll also show you how to get a free domain, a free email, and a hosting company that's actually fast and reliable without costing that much money at all. And here's the problem. If you go online and search best WordPress hosting, you're going to find 100 different videos and blog posts all telling you something different. And most of them are useless, not because they're wrong, but because those reviews are always biased. The company that shows up number one is almost always the company that paid the most in affiliate commission. That's just how it works. My name is Travis. I've been building websites for over 10 years, and I've tried pretty much every hosting company out there. Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy, WP Engine, you name it. And after all of that, I keep coming back to the same one. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly which one that is, why I choose it, and how to get your WordPress website set up from scratch, step by step. So smash the like button because I spent a ton of time and money putting this together, and I want to make sure it actually helps you. So the hosting company I recommend is Hostinger. And I recommend it because it's fast, the customer support is solid, the uptime is over 99.9%, and honestly, it's one of the most affordable options out there. I actually went and negotiated a deal with them so you can get the best rate possible. If you click on the link down below and use coupon code Travis, you're gonna get an extra 10% off. Now let's actually go set up a website using WordPress. So click that link down below and that'll take you straight to Hostinger, where you can get the best deal you can find on hosting online, / you can use my coupon code if you want. Once you land on the page, go ahead and click Start Now. Now you're gonna see 3 different plans: the premium plan, the business plan, and the cloud startup plan. Here's the thing, for most people watching this video, I recommend going with the business plan. And the reason is simple. You get more storage, better performance, and daily backups included. And those backups are more important than people realize. Let's say you spent 3 days building your site, adding products, setting everything up, and then something breaks. With daily backups, you just go and back up to yesterday's version and you're done. That feature alone is worth it. Now, when you scroll down, you'll see different pricing based on how long you sign up for. A pro tip here, the longer plan you choose, the cheaper it is per month. The 48-month plan is the best value. They lock you in at the lowest rate, and they even throw in extra months for free. And on top of that, as I already mentioned, you can use that coupon code Travis to get the extra 10% off. Then you're gonna enter your details, complete the payment, and boom, your hosting is set up. Now, here's the step most people think is going to be complicated, and it's not. Hostinger actually makes this really easy. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see the option to set up WordPress. This is what actually turns your hosting into a real website. Without this step, you just have space on the internet, nothing to show anyone. Click on that and it'll walk you through a few questions. Then it'll ask if you're creating a new site or migrating an existing one. If you're starting fresh, just click Create. From there, you'll choose how you want to build the site. You'll see WordPress with AI or the Hostinger website builder. I go with WordPress. It's more flexible, especially if you want to grow the site into something bigger down the road. Then you'll set up your WordPress login. This is separate from your Hostinger account. It's the login for the actual website itself. Just enter your email and create a password. Next up is your domain name. This is your website address, like clovetea.com. With Hostinger, you get this for free, which saves you anywhere from $15 to $150, depending on the domain. If your .com is available, go with that. If it's taken, you can use .store or .online. Both are solid options for a store, especially .store actually works really well because people see it and immediately know they can buy something. So if clovetea.com was taken, clovetea.store is a great alternative. And honestly, most people aren't typing URLs in anymore anyways. They just Google the brand name and click on it. So don't get stuck on this step. Pick something clean, easy to remember, and move forward. Hosting will then ask you what your target audience is for your website. For us, since I'm in the United States and a lot of my customers are gonna be in the United States, I'm gonna put the US. Next is the design step. This is where you pick how your site is going to look. You can start from scratch or pick a template. I almost always go with a template because it saves a ton of time. And here's the thing, you're not locked in. You can change the layout, the colors, the images, all of it later. So don't overthink this, just pick something that's close to what you want and move forward. Now you'll get to the plugins. I always select these manually instead of letting it auto-install everything. And I'm gonna show you exactly why this step matters. I'm building a store right now for a product called Clove Tea. It's a physical product I'm selling directly to customers. So for this, I'm going to select WooCommerce. That's the plugin that turns your WordPress site into an actual online store. It lets you add products, take payments, manage orders, all from one place. If you're selling anything, WooCommerce is the plugin you need. Once you're done, HostGator will finish setting everything up automatically, and boom, you'll land inside your dashboard. From there, go to WordPress, click Admin Panel, and now you're inside your actual website. Go to Appearance, then click Customize. This is where you make the site your own. You can change your layout, fonts, colors, pretty much everything, and it's all drag and drop. You click on what you want to change and you just adjust it. No coding and no technical experience needed. And since we added WooCommerce, you'll also see the WooCommerce setup guide here. For Clove Tea, this is where I'd go through and add the product listing, the name, the description, photos, price, then connect a payment method and configure shipping. Once you've done that, your store is live and ready to take orders. And this is the part that surprises most people. It's not that complicated. You don't need to know how to code, and you don't need to hire anyone just to get started. You can go from zero to live store in a single day. Once your site is live, you can start adding pages, driving traffic, and testing what works. And the best part is you've got something real to work with. You're not just planning in your head. You've got an actual store you can improve and build on. So if you're looking for the best WordPress hosting that's affordable, fast, and easy to get started with, HostGator is the one I recommend. I've been using them for years and I stand behind it. Click the link down below, sign up for the 48-month plan, and use coupon code Travis for that extra 10% off. That's the best deal you're gonna find. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect on day one. Get the first version up, put it out there, and keep improving from there. That's how you actually make progress. So click the link down below. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.